Alright folks, this is possibly one of the more anticipated things from JMH Aerospace given the amount of requests for information that I've gotten on it. This is the cat's Meow. It is a actual dual use, as you build it, it comes out dual use catapult or hand launch, so it fits the AMA hand launch and FAI F1N categories as well as AMA Unlimited Catapult. Grotner vector foam for our flaps. It's CA safe, so the materials are very easy to deal with. Carbon toe on your, not carbon toe, carbon laminate on the fuselage, although we'll probably be going to carbon rods on that just because of supply issues. But yeah, pretty sweet little airplane, weighs about 12 grams. So it's not super lightweight, but if you're looking for an intro to Unlimited Catapult and F1N and AMA hand launch for low ceiling, this is it. And since almost all indoor hand launch contests in the US right now are in low ceilings, this is the type of plan form you look for. Fairly easy to trim. These are challenging because they're flappers, but good airplane for getting into it. So let's show you a glide here.
Here reminds me of my kids at work. They all want to be Josh when they grow up.
There we go.
Like, I might be a YouTuber. I hope that's still a thing.
So, take a tiny bit of nose weight off, see if it works. I'll put the nose weight back and stall it. Let's try that once more.
Hey, mommy. So, folks, mommy, put the sheep down. Put the sheep down. Mommy.
I keep telling her she needs to go to yoga classes.
Mommy.
And we'll throw it up.
For the bed.
Go fly with Daddy.
The bed. Hey, mommy.
Go fly with Daddy.
It's
Come on,
your
Caleb, come fly it over here.
Well,
Caleb,
right
fly it
now,
over here.
I'm in purgatory. She needs to check the cat every 2 days.
Alright, so, I think you get the picture. Flies like it's on rails. Mind you, that's a lot of trimming work. And Caleb is getting over energetic. So, I'm going to show you how we catapult this guy. So, that's set up. I'll hold it back here.
We've got her eating, pooping, and drinking. Even the occasional hairball.
folks. Say, folks. Hey, mommy. So,
That's what happens when you mess up.
oh, Miss Dot,
Justice,
we
Caleb,
can
please get out of the camera frame. Come here.
Mommy, I want it.
Yeah, we were just glad to get
So,
her for Christmas.
I baby did I might do a game.
We were supposed to go to
Game
Miami.
and then flew it.
We want to travel out. She's in a seapine. Stuck her in Jess's lap.
The cat did you a favor in a way.
Yeah. It's funny that my mom does not like cats.
Look at that.
She was jailed in this one room. After I It's certainly easier to take care of. Of course, none of us are like really good because that would mean we're bad at our job.
Deep down inside, you're someone.
Cats are certainly better than some kittens.
So I think you get the picture there.
Animals,
Good flying airplane, very nice and stable. I'm not very good at catapult flying these, as you can tell from all the mistakes I made. But yeah, it flies pretty good. So check it out on our website. See ya.